Hold the beef, it's Ratchet Elite, nigga. 4-point money gang, nigga. Boy, this that thugged out gangsters, blowing out this nigga shit. Blowing on that doja, sipping, hitting with that eagle shit. I'm thugged out, not drugged out. Taking peeks with the guns out. Know how to fuck the laws and they probable cause. Thugged out, not drugged out. Taking peeks with the guns out. Know how to fuck the laws and they probable cause. Thugged out, not drugged out. Taking peeks with the guns out. Know how to fuck the laws and they probable cause. If you a soldier and be thuggin', put your hands up. If you're pussy and you know it, what you scared for? How to fuck the laws and the feds, I must stay here. Looking for any reason to fill me up with lead. I be thuggin' low key on a fucking paper route. Like I really gotta get it off the muscle and that salt. I don't fuck with too many cause niggas snitching like it's habits. Got the nerve to get the yappin', resolving the roof of like in this bitch, fuck them other niggas though. Kool-Aid, not the Henny, couple bars and shit. My nigga looking for that lean so we can pour him up a four. When money game for sure, we just play high. And I don't be with all that capping and that acting, I be keeping it cheap. If you fuckin' with me, then it's 100 with Lee. I don't be with friendly Bob, strictly business with me. Even the dollars of the G's could get swept with the heat. Boy, this that thugged out gangsters, blowing out this nigga shit. Blowing on that doja, sipping, hitting with that eagle shit. I'm thugged out, not drugged out. Taking peeks with the guns out. Know how to fuck the laws and they probable cause. Thugged out, not drugged out. Taking peeks with the guns out. Know how to fuck the laws and they probable cause. Thugged out, not drugged out. Taking pics with the guns out. Know how to fuck the laws and they probable cause.
If you went out your thuggin' and you feel like a dog, stick your middle fingers up and scream out fuck the laws. This for my pill poppers, and my weed smokers, and my lean sippers, and my liquor pourers. Yeah, license suspended, but fuck her, the nigga still rolling. Yeah, this pistol dirty, but fuck her, the nigga still holding. Even when they patrolling, never catch me slipping, nigga. Run up on me, little nigga, you must be fucking tripping. Really bout that, nigga, I don't talk that. Nigga cross me wrong like a lighter and I'm off that. Bitch, what you want? That black shit? Come on, you will get your ass wrecked.
Boy, this that thugged out gangsters, blowing out this nigga shit. Blowing on that doja, sipping, hitting with that eagle shit. I'm thugged out, not drugged out. Taking peeks with the guns out. Know how to fuck the laws and they probable cause. Thugged out, not drugged out. Taking peeks with the guns out. Know how to fuck the laws and they probable cause. Thugged out, not drugged out. Taking peeks with the guns out. Know how to fuck the laws and they probable cause. Thugged out gangsters, blowing out this nigga shit. Blowing on that doja, sipping, hitting with that eagle shit. I'm thugged out, not drugged out. Taking peeks with the guns out. Know how to fuck the laws and they probable cause. Thugged out, not drugged out.